Hello, students. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. This is another free Kikuyu class with teacher Martin. And before we proceed to our lesson for today, I hope you have subscribed to this channel. I hope that you are going to share, comment, like, turn on notification bell, and also support this work through the numbers that are going down here on the screen. Okay, yeah, and also through subscribing to the premium classes, okay, so that we may continue creating this content for you, so that more and more people may learn this great and wonderful language that is loved by so many people. Yeah, and Dick, if you go to any place and speak Kikuyu, if you are in China, in US, in UK, anywhere, you find someone who will hear and understand what you are saying. So, without much ado, let's start our lesson. Let's start our lesson, and I hope the presentation is okay on your side. Okay, good. So, this is what we have. We are going to learn indo nyumba. Indo nyumba. Items of the house. So we start with the first item, which is spoon. Spoon in Kikuyu is geshiko. 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 The plural is ishiko. 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 Good. We go to the next one. Plate. Plate in Kikuyu is dhani. Dhani. In plural, dhani doesn't change. We go to the next item. Cup. Cup. Gikombe. Gikombe. And the plural of that is ikombe. Ikombe. We go to the next. Knife. Knife. Kahio. 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 The plural is tohio. 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 Good. And we go to the next one. Sieve. Geshugi. Geshugi. Good. And in plural, it becomes ishugi. 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 Then we go to the next one. Cooking pot, the metallic one. Dhufuria. 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 The clay one is called nyogo. Nyogo. And the plural of dhufuria is dhufuria. And the plural of nyogo, nyogo I've said it's a clay pot. Clay cooking pot. Nyogo, the plural of nyogo is nyogo. Good. We go to the next one. Mortar. Dere. Dere. Yeah. That is dere. And what do you call it? The other item that goes with the mortar is called mode. Mode. So it is mode na dere. We go to the next one. Grater. Grater. Gakiriti. 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 And the plural is tokiriti. 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 We go to the next one. Fat or oil. That is cooking fat or cooking oil. Maguta. Maguta makoruga. If you want to say cooking fat, this maguta makoruga, cooking oil. Maguta makoruga. What about the oil that is used for engines? That is called oil. Oil. Okay. And what about gas or petrol. That is also called maguta magari. Okay, we go to the next one. Kitchen, kitchen, riko, riko, trash, taka taka, trash, taka taka or geko. Geko is also dirt. We go to the next one. Fire, mwaki, mwaki, smoke, dogo, dogo, fires, meaki. What about firewood? Can you guess? Firewood is go, go. Okay, we go to the next. Electricity, vitima, vitima. We go to the next. Gas, gadi, gadi. Paraffin oil, paraffin oil or kerosene. Maguta matawa, maguta matawa. Table, metha, metha, table room, metha-inĩ, metha-inĩ. Bucket, door, door, door. Heavy roti pan, that heavy pan used for making chapati. Kegeo, small plastic container like the one used for fat. Gaduku, then we go to the next one. Scissors. Magathi, magathi. Thank you so much for attending today's classroom. So if you want to subscribe to premium classes, you can contact me through +254 718 317 877 or via my email martinkarali@gmail.com. So be blessed and make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and continue requesting the content that you want to learn. May God bless you. Bye bye, and see you in the next.